Oh, hey there. Hi. Welcome back to the channel. More importantly, welcome back to a new year. Oh my God, we all survived that wash of a year, 2020. So, whew, it's officially 2021, January 1st. I don't know about you. You guys have any New Year's resolutions, or like me, the COVID-15 kind of hit you hard? Just like amp up New Year's resolution. So I got a great recipe for you. It's egg white bites. They're low cal, high protein, and I kind of copied them from Starbucks, but sue me. Highly doubtful. Nobody watches this channel, so that's yeah, highly unlikely. Anywho, we're just gonna get right into the recipe and start making these egg white bites because yeah, I'm hungry and probably gonna eat like 40 of these, so. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm going to begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees and pressing start. So once we do that, now I'm gonna gather up the ingredients. I'm gonna make two different versions, a spinach bacon egg white bite and then a roasted red pepper egg white bite. So just follow along and pick which one you like best, make both, I don't know, surprise me. You're going to start off with 1 cup of egg whites in the bowl, half a cup of cottage cheese. You're just going to put your egg whites and your cottage cheese in the bowl, mix those together, grab your roasted red peppers, which I already like dried off with some paper towels, and then I chopped them up into little pieces, and I'm using half a cup. You toss that in the bowl as well. Please don't kerplunk. Okay, there's that. And then salt and pepper to taste. Pepper, I just want to put in that. And then half a teaspoon of oregano. And look, you're done. Oh, this is the first recipe of egg white bites that literally took like 30 seconds. Have all your ingredients ready and you're ready. The second one, I already put the cottage cheese and egg whites in a bowl. And for this version, I'm doing 1/3 cup of chopped up bacon because everybody loves bacon. Then you just mix that. And then half a cup of spinach. I chopped this up with some scissors. Probably should have cut it finer, but you know, nobody's perfect. Okay, so I have my two different versions of egg white bites right here. Ta-da! Roasted red pepper and the spinach and bacon. The ones at Starbucks are actually sous vide. Sous vide is like a French term for vacuum sealed. So it's a really expensive machine that I don't have. So I'm just doing my own version of it by using a water bath underneath my egg white bites. So I'm gonna put these in greased cupcake tins, and then underneath I'm going to have a baking pan that I'm gonna pour some hot water in, which is kind of going to steam it so that they don't become dry. And it's not gonna be like a quiche because it's gonna have like a softer texture. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay, whatever. If you don't, deal with it. So last thing you're going to do is you're going to heavily grease this. And then you get your egg white bites. And I like to scoop it into like a cup first because it just makes it easier to pour. And you just pour it in, clean up the sides as you go because it might get a little bit messy. It's gonna get really messy, whatever. Okay, so I poured all of the egg whites into the cupcake tins. Now I'm ready to bake, and it's gonna take a little bit, guys. It's gonna be about 35 to 40 minutes because, I don't know, that's how long it takes, so deal with it. First things first, we are going to add our baking dish and pull it out and then add some hot water to the bottom so it like steams. It sounds weird, but it works. You're gonna add the hot water so you can create like a bath for it, a steam bath, and it's gonna make sure your egg whites don't get like dry. After that, you're going to add your egg whites into the oven. Minutes. You can check on them, turn on the light. Okay, then you just set the timer, let it wait a hot moment, and you're done. So yeah, we'll come back in like 30 minutes after I do some dishes. Woo! That's all.